How does the future of decentralized organizations look? And why is a robust tokenomics model so crucial? This is the question that Scale Novelty DAO, or SNDAO, is answering with its innovative approach to tokenomics, setting a new standard for decentralized autonomous organizations. At the heart of this breakthrough model is the allocation of 1 billion SNDAO votes. This abundance of votes, the cornerstone of SNDAO's democratic governance model, ensures widespread participation, giving community members the power to actively shape the ecosystem's trajectory. But SNDAO's tokenomics model doesn't just empower, it sustains. A central pillar of this sustainability is a 2% contribution fee on transactions. This isn't just another transaction cost. This fee is a reinvestment into the ecosystem, a way to fuel innovation, community initiatives, and DAO operations. It's about channeling resources back into the ecosystem to fortify its foundation for long-term viability and growth. In a bold commitment to decentralization and fairness, SNDAO has chosen not to allocate tokens to the team. This decision is a firm statement of SNDAO's ethos of community governance, ensuring that the project's success is driven by the collective efforts of its members. SNDAO introduces its votes as free tokens, promoting inclusivity and broad participation. These votes can be converted to SNDAO, the SNDAO protocol token, at a conversion rate of 1,000 VSNDAO to 1 SNDAO. This mechanism allows members to deepen their engagement in governance processes, facilitating active participation in decision-making. But there's a catch. To participate in governance activities, holders must convert their VSNDAO to SNDAO. This requirement ensures alignment with the DAO's vision and principles, fostering an engaged and invested community, driving the ecosystem forward collectively. SNDAO's tokenomics model is not just a blueprint for its own operations. It's a vision for the future of decentralized organizations, a future where innovation meets community-centric values, where sustainable funding mechanisms are the norm, and where governance participation is prioritized. As SNDAO continues to evolve, its framework stands as a testament to the power of decentralized governance and collective action. SNDAO is not just building a tokenomics model, it's building a model for the future,